my channel. This is me, Prachi, and so what I'm doing something exciting finally. So the movie halls here in UK, they're open. Not Cineworld, it closed recently, but all the others like Odeon and View, they're open. And I'm going for a movie after like so long. It's been, I don't even know how many months. I went with a movie in like November, I think. It's been forever. And this is basically I'm going to New Cinemas, which is inside Westfield Mall. This is in Shepherd Bush area. And well, I wanted to show you guys how they're tackling with the pandemic in the movie halls, how they're actually doing everything. So the first thing that I would like to say is they have this distance between seating capacity. So what they're doing right now is something that's going up. Okay. So what they're doing with that is, when I was booking my tickets, one thing I'll just show you guys what it looks like. So this is the entrance. It's a pretty cool movie hall. I took the VIP seats. Pretty excited for that. Although booking the tickets. So what happened at that point was that I was told that there's like a distance thing. So if I'm actually coming with someone, then I can book it with them. But if it's a stranger, they're not going to be sitting next to me. So there's like a gap of 1 or 2 seats if it's not for people from the same household. But let's see what else they're doing. That's one thing that they obviously kind of had to do because of the pandemic. I want to see how many people are there in the movie. So I'm not really going for a very popular movie because I'm not going for Tenet or anything because I didn't really have the time because of my assignments and everything. There was like this one show and I really wanted to go for a movie, so I just thought, you know. And it's about dogs and cats for Unite. It's actually an old movie. Okay, I'm just going to show you guys what the place looks like. So here it is. So these are the places where you can actually get your tickets if you have booked them online. Everyone's wearing masks, there are sanitizers everywhere. And yeah, so there's like Ben & Jerry's. In View Cinemas, I think they've tied up with all the Ben & Jerry's. So this is where we have to wait, and there's a track and trace that is compulsory to stop the COVID-19 through the government application. Wow, popcorn, the nachos, and other things. There's also a candy stall usually, but I don't really see a candy stall. I'll probably take something from Ben & Jerry's, but if not, then okay, these are the things here. Wow, looks so cool. Probably gonna take. Okay, these are the candies and everything that they have here. So. But sadly, so as you can see, there are a lot of combos and everything, but sadly they don't have cheese popcorn. That's something, you know, I feel so sad about. It's so disheartening that they don't have cheese popcorn or iced tea, but they have other things. And the nachos, I'm gonna tell you guys how the nachos is. But yeah, so as you can see, there are not a lot of people here in the movie hall, and no people who are here are basically wearing masks. So she's serving and she's probably, she's wearing a mask. And so that's how it is, and not a lot of people are actually coming to the movie. So as you can see, it's completely empty. I'll see only like 3 or 4 people. That's it, and it's not even like, you know, that's it. That's kind of sad. But there's coffee and there's combos and everything's available at the moment. So that's pretty great. So I'm gonna tell you guys what other things they're doing inside the movie hall, like inside the screens. But yeah, that's it for now. And I'll tell you guys my experience. Okay, so if you have any questions, do let me know, and do subscribe to my channel if there's anything that you guys want to know about or how it's happening in the UK or what they're doing to handle the, you know, the pandemic. So I'll definitely love to make a video about that. I might go to Harry Potter studio soon, so I'll make a video about that as well and show you guys what they're doing during the pandemic at the Harry Potter studio as well. So if there's anything else, let me know, and I'll show you guys from the inside. So it was kind of weird because I was the only one in the movie hall. It was actually kind of spooky. If I wasn't there, they probably wouldn't have even like played it. So it was kind of spooky. But yeah, it was the first time I was in a movie hall where there was like no one but for me. So I think this is the reason Cineworld closed, because you know it's so bad. Like even right now, I'm just gonna show it to you guys quickly. That's it. Like there are like 3 or 4 people, and that too like. There's one show starting in like 5 minutes. I think that's why they're like those people. But no one's really watching a lot of movies. But they have done their part. Like for the washroom, only like 4 people are allowed at once. And it was a pretty big washroom. And there was like a queue, and then you were supposed to wait, sanitize, then go inside the washroom. They've done their part. But It's just so sad right now. But yeah, I had a good experience watching the movie. Sadly, the popcorn wasn't the best because I'm used to having like really good cheese popcorn. They didn't even have cheese. They have this thing called sweet and salty, which in my opinion, it's good, but it's not cheese popcorn. I mean, like cheese popcorn is something else, right? And the nachos was pretty good. So the nachos, they have a few options. Like they have jalapeno with the nachos, they have sour cream, guacamole, the cheese dip. The cheese dip is pretty. It's really fresh. It's really hot. It's good. But yeah, otherwise, not a lot of options. And because of the pandemic, that's the reason Cineworld closed as well. Like I said, because it's not a lot of people actually coming to watch the movies. But yeah, it was a different experience, and they're doing their part. Sadly, no one's really coming, and like even the people who are cleaning up the seats and everything, they're wearing their masks and the face shields and everything. So yeah. Anyway, I'll see you guys the next time. Bye bye. Do share some to my share and subscribe. I'll see you guys. So if you're going with someone, you can sit with them, but you can't really sit next to a stranger. There's gonna be a gap of like 2 seats, I think, between people, and it doesn't really matter because the theater was completely empty. I was the only person there. Washrooms, like I said, there was like you had to wait, and then only like a few people allowed in the washroom. The food was pretty disappointing. The nachos was good, but what she did was, asked for nachos, and the girl over there in the counter, what she did was, I told her to put the cheese sauce separately, but she didn't really have any of the containers left. I don't know, no one's really watching the movies, but somehow she didn't have the containers left. Anyway, so what she did was she poured cheese sauce on top of the nachos, and I absolutely hate that because it makes the nachos so soggy. And well, the nachos cheese sauce is really good, but that kind of spoiled my experience. I'm really sad about that. But the popcorn, I'm sorry, but it was not good. It was just salted, no cheese popcorn, no tomato chili popcorn, no caramel popcorn. I really miss the popcorn. By the way, I heard they're resuming the movie operations, the new movie halls in India from the 15th of October. I honestly don't know how that's gonna work. I mean, it might, because there's a lot of people who actually go for movies in India, but here it's not really working. So what happened with Cineworld is they actually continued their operations for 2 months. But recently they closed it because not a lot of people were going, so they had a lot of costs, like employee costs and everything, that they had to undertake. So because of that, they like stopped it for a few months right now. So I don't know what's gonna happen in India. I really want to know how it works, if it actually works well, or if they close soon. And I don't even know which movies they're gonna release, because everyone's like directly tying up with Netflix and Amazon Prime and stuff. So I don't know how that's gonna work, but I hope it does. But let's see how it goes. And I mean, people should overall try to avoid going for the movies because of the situation right now. I just wanted to go because I wanted to see what they're doing to handle the pandemic, and I took the necessary precautions, whatever I could from my end. But people should avoid going to the movies right now. That's what I think. And well, I guess that's it anyway. So if you guys want to know something about whatever is happening here, or some place they'd like to visit or whatever, just comment below, and do share and subscribe, and bye bye. See you next time.